G'day folks, Craig Castry here. I'm just out the front in my on my footpath, as a matter of fact, and you often hear me talk about filling up a garden to try and stop the weeds, and I just thought I'd show you what I've been doing here for a little bit of time, and just finding spots to grow whatever I can, wherever I can, you know, with a bit of a rhyme and reason in place, I suppose, trying not to crop. And in fact, that is a Roma tomato, unstaked, just doing its own thing, and it has literally hundreds of tomatoes on it, which is doing really well. But in amongst, on the southern side of the, or on the shaded side of the west fence, is a couple of blueberries that are sort of okay, doing okay. But then there's some living mulch, as in cucumbers, right beside the footpath there. Look. And there's another one here, and sunflower, which is doing really well, and some lobelia. So as you can see, right on the very edge of the footpath, marigold, some alyssum, another cucumber here, a bit of parsley. As you can see, a small dwarf apple tree. Behind it is a lemon verbena. In the background there you can see some corn, a lot of sunflower, and those wonderful flowers there are, let me see if I can zoom in, an elderflower taken from a cutting from a friend of mine, Joanne. Thank you, Joanne. Even carrots growing in a few patches here and there. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, fill your garden up. A full garden grows no weeds. What happens is the weed seeds land on the leaves of the plants and they blow off somewhere else. Hopefully not in your backyard or front yard, as the case may be. So there you go. That's just a small renovation that we did a little while ago as we put the concrete paths in, and it wasn't all that long ago, but it's done pretty well. Okay, bye for now. If you want more information about how to do this for yourselves, you know where to go. Go to craigcastry.com.au. Got plenty of books there for you to choose from. All the best. Bye for now.